In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order a GCash card. Before we dive into the process, let's make sure you have everything you need. You should have a fully verified and active GCash account. Additionally, ensure you have enough balance to cover the card fee. Lastly, confirm that your delivery address is within GCash's serviceable areas. With these requirements met, you're ready to proceed. First, open the GCash app on your device. It's important that your app is up to date for a smooth experience. Once you're in the app, look for the section labeled Cards. This is where you'll start the process of ordering your GCash card. Now tap Cards to proceed. In this section, you'll find the option to order a card. It's crucial to tap Order a GCash card to initiate your request. This step sets the process in motion for you to receive your card. Next up, you'll want to tap Order a card. This action confirms your intent to get a GCash card. After that, select the option that says Send me a card. By choosing this, you're specifying that you want the card delivered to you, which is convenient and saves you time. At this point, review your account details carefully. Ensure everything is accurate, including your name and contact information. This step is vital because it helps prevent any delivery issues or delays. Once you have reviewed your details, tap Next to move forward. From there, you'll need to enter your delivery information. This includes your address where you want the card to be sent. Double-check this information to avoid any mix-ups. Accuracy here ensures that your card reaches you without any hiccups. After entering your delivery details, it's time to review the order details. This is your chance to verify that everything is correct before proceeding. Take a moment to go over the information again. It's always better to be sure than to have to make corrections later. Now tap Pay to proceed with the payment. This step deducts the card fee from your GCash balance. Make sure you have sufficient funds before tapping. Once the payment is processed, you will see a confirmation message. This assures you that your order has been successfully placed. Finally, wait for your confirmation message. This message is your assurance that the order is complete and the card is on its way. Keep an eye on your notifications or emails for any updates regarding the delivery. Ordering a GCash card is a straightforward process when you follow these steps. Each action builds upon the previous one to ensure a seamless experience. Remember, keeping your details accurate can save you a lot of trouble later on. And always double-check your balance to avoid any payment issues. With that ready, you're all set to enjoy the convenience of your new GCash card. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.